have to go to work very soon, and here I am looking like the hottest rat that has ever crawled out of the sewer, you know what I'm saying?
Merry Christmas!
Oh my god, hi, hey, hello, good morning, welcome to Vlogmas! We're always late! I'm gonna be a little bit too tall, but it'll be good. My dog immediately starts coughing. I think this will look fine. Good morning. Today, maybe it won't be fine. What day is today? Who am I? Where are we? I need to eat something. It's honestly more important in this situation because I have not today. I don't think I actually ended my vlog last night because we had that talent show and Lauren passed out after. But yeah, because we were out, we were out very late. We hot tubbed after. So we did the talent show. Everybody got there. Everybody's always late, so it took a hot minute of anybody even just getting there. And then on top of it, sorry if I'm just in the dark, it's fine, hello. We did the actual talent show, and then afterwards everybody hot tubbed, and then after that, Gil very kindly, one of our coworkers, bought us a pizza, which was so nice of him. And I was gonna go home and go to sleep. It was 1 a.m. and I was like, all right, time to walk myself and all this stuff home. And then Gil was like, Laura, what kind of pizza do you want? And I was like, yeah, I'll stay up for another hour for some stuffed crust right now. We played catchphrase. My team obviously annihilated the other one. It's fine. Not that anybody was counting or anything. But yeah, that was last night. Today, which is where I was getting to, is because of that, I woke up at 10, which was jarring. Ira woke me up. He was like, hey, I'm gonna go to work. And I was like, what do you mean you're going to work? And he was like, you slept in a little. I was like, I see. But fortunately for me, I'm trying to take time off this week so I can get caught up with Vlogmas. Also, please don't die. I'm gonna put you. Oh fuck! I love a just directly up the nose angle. Yeah, I'm trying to take some time off. Also, I just have so many potential shows, and I feel I also just want to be at home with my dog and Ira and just kind of get my life together. I need to get back into I haven't really. I mean, I've been walking and going on hikes and stuff, but I'm I need to kind of get back. I don't know. I just want to get back into a routine is what I'm saying. So that is my goal for this week. So she woke up at 10 a.m. and it's fine. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. That's somebody's routine, you know? But again, it was very fortunate because I didn't have anything to do until 11:30. I had a little Zoom meeting just now, which is why I look kind of I was let's just do some powder. The problem is powder is a little bit too tan, so I keep having to do it all the way down my neck, and I'm okay, we gotta go buy my pale people powder. But anyways, I'm not saying anything. Hi, this is what I've been doing for the last half an hour with a woman who, this is the first time I've ever met her, but fortunately she was cool, and so I think she liked my nonsensical pratter that I was doing. But yeah, I had a Zoom meeting with her to go over a little bit of a rehearsal of the reading that I'm gonna do on Thursday. So it was good to do that, and she had some good feedback, and I told her, I was give me any feedback you want. I read my fan fiction last night at the talent show. We didn't record anything, but you'll see it later. But I did run it, kind of do a dry run last night, which was good. People laughed. I think it went over well. And then I ran it for her today, and she had some good feedback on it as well. So I think it'll be good. I have a couple little details that I want to work on it, but I think for the most part, I pretty much have it down, which is cool. I need to get it printed and in a book, but these are details that don't really matter to you, so don't know why I'm saying them to you. But right now, I need to brush my teeth and then get a granola bar or something so that I don't die, because I'm gonna go do my little hike for the day. I'm gonna go with my friend. We had planned for him to give me my Christmas present today. We were gonna do a little Home Alone, little Christmas situation, but then he got excited and gave me my gift early, so, which is very nice of him, and so I was okay, cool. You want to just go on a healthy walk instead? I'm trying to prioritize this time, you know what I mean? We gotta be out in nature, breathing fresh air. I'm running behind, dude. I gotta brush my teeth. For a 5 p.m. dinner, the old people we are. How was your day? that I am back and we are together again? Did I go on a walk and also get some dinner with Ira, but I immediately forgot my camera here because it was charging? Yes. Did we get terrible iPhone footage? Yes, though. Yes. This is what I do every day when I come home. I appreciate the excitement, though. I hope everybody has someone that greets them with this much joy.
Listen, girls laugh their way into bed.
I make you move soon, Sam, as Nigel's still hoping that he has the last laugh.
I'm running away from things that I can't ever understand. Now you were just so happy.
I feel to not be able to beat me in this game ever.
Except I have.
You beat me one time out of like 5
the
6
truth
games.
comes out. The truth comes out.
It's just been so long. I forgot you even did it once.
It has been a while.
Mm-hmm.
But my deck is finally getting shuffled, and that's what's held me back.
Oh yeah. Are you done with your turn?
Yes.
That was the worst shuffling.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty
It's
quick.
just like one big thump.
I don't know if many people could go that quickly.
We got a classic going on in the background. And I'm gonna have a Madeline. These are the most delicious things, and I love them. With some Nutella, if Ira would stop shoving his mouthful of it and share.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Okay. I'm gonna just combine tomorrow's vlog with this vlog because we didn't really do a whole ton. Except somebody destroyed someone else.
Wherever you are, just taking a moment to sit comfortably. Don't have to be fully upright, but
Today is Wednesday for me. How on earth is that a reality, people? I woke up and all day it's felt like Sunday. I've just been chilling. I gotta go into work later tonight and I'm just here like, who am I and what am I doing? And I was like, man, I got all day because it feels like Sunday. So I was just like, oh yeah, I have like the whole day. I can just lounge and take my time. No, I can't. I have to go to work very soon, and here I am looking like the hottest rat that has ever crawled out of the sewer. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, love yourself, friends. I was just speaking to Iris as I was making my breakfast and cleaning the home, and okay, I just feel like a lot of my vlogs, I haven't actually been able to speak to you because I've been busy and like rushing around and like doing stuff, or I don't know, but I like with Vlogmas that I feel like I can just unleash whatever nonsensical thought that I'm currently having, and people seem to resonate with that. So I'm just gonna, without any context, just get into something weird because I was talking to Iris about it. So there's context for me and just not for you. So the context is there's no context. Anyways, the other day I was having a rough time with just like some personal baloney that we're just not gonna get into because it doesn't matter. And I told Iris that I was like, okay, I got into my bathtub and I just wrote a letter because I feel like just word vomiting, like, and it's just easier on my phone because you just type faster, but if you want to do a physical letter, I think that's a lot nicer. It's good for the physical action is what I'm saying. But I was like, I just wrote a little letter because to me, writing a letter, and this can be to you, it could be to another person, it could be just to the general world, like it doesn't have to be about, like it doesn't have to be a letter to someone you actually know. This could also be to like a stranger, it could be to like your best friend from like 3rd grade, like whatever the vibe is. Like sometimes I think it's good to just write to somebody that you feel safe sometimes around, like sometimes it feels good to just write to the person that maybe it is about a human individual, but just write. And don't second guess, just like say the most sappy, dumb thing that makes you feel uncomfortable. But I'm like, get all that crap out because it feels a lot better. And the thing is like not only to me does it feel better, but I feel like it gives you dialogue that then you can then take and like speak to your friends about. Maybe you can speak to a person about if they're involved. You can speak to a therapist about it. Like at least you can speak to like yourself about it too. And because like basically the reason why I'm bringing this up is Iris was going through some stuff and she called me and she was like, Lauren, I want you to know that I got into my bathtub and I wrote a letter. And I was like, yeah, I did, because it's good for you. And she was like, she read me a little part of it. And I was like, dude, that is very depressing and I'm very sorry and I am not judging. That's what I'm saying. Just write the dumb stuff that you feel. But I was like, but what's nice about that, because I'm like, it's hard to be vulnerable like with yourself sometimes. Or like a lot of the time. I'm like, I think it's hard to be vulnerable with people, but like, I don't know, I think everybody's different. That like I can say for myself, like I'm a pretty confident human being for the most part. I feel like I'm also pretty good with people. Like I'm on, you know, like when I think of vulnerability, it's like I don't have an issue really like getting on stage or like showing. There's certain parts of myself that like I have no problem showing. I'm like, what is a lot of the time I think hard for myself, and I don't think people really think about, like I didn't for a long time, is like I have issues recognizing stuff within me. Like I think I'm kind of someone that like will maybe have a feeling and just like push it aside because it's like, well, this is easier, or it's better for the group, or like it's better for the party or whatever, like, and I don't know, it's just like that's not a great thing to do. And I'm like, I think it's really hard sometimes, like if not harder, like obviously every situation is different, I'm like, to be vulnerable with yourself than sometimes it is with other people. And it's like, if you don't start there though, then how are you gonna get anywhere? You know what I'm saying? So anyways, we were just talking about that, and I figured since I haven't said a whole lot of anything in these Vlogmases, there you go, there's my 2 cents. I'm gonna go keep editing some more. This is what's happening, folks. Hope you're enjoying it.
Don't you worry, don't be scared, I'll be there in a hurry. Keep it hot, but the drip on McFlurry. No second guess in this section for surely. Run it up, uncontested like free throws.
So you're saying goodbye because I go to work? Just ignoring me entirely? Even though we've been together all day?
Hello Vlogmas, I'm talking to Iris, so hi, but I'm gonna go to work like the professional human that I am. I look crusty, but I just don't care. Bye. And she's back from work. It's like only 9:40, and I'm like, should I go to sleep and be a responsible human being? Probably, but also do I kind of want to just play another game of Magic the Gathering? Yes.
Victory is at hand, isn't it, Thor?
Remove my makeup and take a man's dreams, you know?
Little Christmas sleepy time tea. The sleepy time tea hit too hard, you know? Good night. I'm gonna write something for y'all to do. Okay, see ya. Bye.
Don't you worry, don't be scared, I'll be there in a hurry. Keep it hot, but the drip on McFlurry. No second guess in this section for surely. Run it up, uncontested like free throws. I'm all in every time like casinos. Came here strictly for chips, I don't mingle. I just cash in, that my fashion. Run it up, uncontested like free throws. I'm all in every time like casinos. Came here strictly for chips, I don't mingle. I just cash in, that my fashion. Time to time